Welcome to Bigger Machines. Largest and most powerful heavy equipment you should see. BelAZ 293. Exactly how big does a land-based vehicle need to be to qualify for the Guinness Book of World Records as largest in the world? How about 315 feet tall, 740 feet long, and weighing over 31 million pounds? The BelAZ 293 is a giant bucket wheel excavator built in Germany in 1995. It requires a crew of 5 to operate and can move over 8.5 million cubic feet of earth per day. To put that in perspective, that is the equivalent of digging a hole the length of a football field and over 80 feet deep in a day. For excavation, the BelAZ 293 uses a large 70-foot rotating wheel at the end of a long arm. This wheel has a series of buckets attached, and as the wheel rotates, the buckets pick up the earth and dump it onto a conveyor belt. The conveyor belts will transport the earth to other vehicles for removal to the dumping site. H4800 XPC electric rope shovel. Following 7 years of research and seeking customer input from around the world, Tomatsu's H4800 XPC electric rope shovel is now commercially available. The 4800 XPC electric rope shovel features adaptive controls technology and is designed for 3-pass loading of 327 tons to 363 tons ultra-class haul trucks. When compared to the 4100 XPC, the 4800 boasts a 20% increase in production and a 10% decrease in cost per ton. The electric rope shovel is in the largest machine payload class currently available on the market. Alongside its 122.5-ton payload, the machine features a cut height of 18 meters, a cut radius of 24.3 meters, and a maximum dump reach of 24.8 meters. CAT 6120 BHFS hydraulic shovel. Caterpillar has designed, fabricated, and constructed the largest hydraulic mining shovel ever built. The new CAT 6120 BHFS significantly exceeds the size of the CAT 6090 FS to deliver highly productive 3 or 4-pass loading of ultra-class mining trucks. Hybrid technologies cut fuel use per ton by an estimated 25% through the use of hydroelectric regenerative technologies and a unique energy storage system. Caterpillar designed the 6120 BHFS to be the most productive and efficient ultra-class hydraulic shovel available. An operating weight of approximately 1,400 tons and engine output of about 4,500 horsepower enable the shovel to efficiently handle dipper sizes of 60 to 85 cubic yards, depending on material density. BelAZ 75710 dump truck, able to carry loads of 450 tons. The BelAZ 75710 is the biggest dump truck on the planet and is built on advanced high-strength steel. Running at $6 million apiece, these massive 360-ton haulage vehicles are 6 times as powerful as an F1 racing car and are more than 20 meters in length. Run by 2 16-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel engines that each have 2,300 horsepower and produce electricity to power 4 electric motors. They can reach maximum speeds of 64 kilometers per hour. Moving massive payloads is a fuel-intensive process, and diesel consumption for the 75710 is estimated at 1,300 liters per 100 kilometers but can be run on a single engine when not loaded to save on fuel. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.